Hey guys, all of you. Mm, Am I audible? Please respond.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon.
Okay. Good afternoon. Yeah. Okay. Today we are going to know how to install Python related softwares to do some projects which are related to our Python. I will show them one by one. You can follow my uh, uh, procedure. Okay. You can follow my procedure. How I am going to install. You can see, and also you can do along with me. Okay. I'll show them one by one. Okay. Mm. Yeah. I think all of you can see my screen, right? Yeah. Okay. You can also drop a message in our chat box. Okay. If you have any doubts, you can ask me, or else you can message in our chat box. Yeah. First of all, I'm going to do the software name Python. Simply, you can go to Google and you can search for Python. You will get a first website called www.python.org. Go to that website and your screen will be like this. There is no need to scroll down. Okay. Simply, you can go here, downloads. You can able to find the latest version of our Python. If you want to get some older versions, you can find here. Okay, you can download from here, but now we are going to do the latest version of Python. Okay, just click on that, download Python 3.13.0. Okay. Yeah. The Python got downloaded into our system. All of you can hear, and you can my screen is also visible, right? If you have any problem, please let me know. Okay.
Yeah, sir, it's visible.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Just give me a minute. Okay. Here you can see your software which is downloaded. You can save this downloaded file in the required folder. Whatever the folder you want, you can save in that folder. Okay. I'm saving in my in my folder. Have you downloaded this? If downloaded, please message as okay in our chat box. Okay, so that I will be able to understand. After downloading that software, please save it somewhere else in your folders. Okay, keep a specific folder for these all softwares. Okay, so that you will not get confused. Okay. Okay. After downloading this Python software, you can install in your system. Let me show you how to do that. Okay, just double tap on this Python software. Yeah, this is very important. Don't forget to click on this checkbox. Okay, don't forget to click on this checkbox. It is very important. Add to path, add python.exe to path is very important. If you don't do this, there will be it will be problematic for your uh, projects. Okay, the Python will not support for your projects. Okay, uh, don't forget this. Okay, now here you can find an install now. Click on this, click on this tab. Okay, give the required permissions for your installations. Okay, click on yes. Okay, the Python is getting installed. Okay, all of you are doing installations, right? How many of you done with this? So, first of all, you have to go to Google and search for Python, so that you can able to get python.org website. Go to that website and you will find a downloads option. In that downloads, you can able to find this Python software. Simply click on that download. Okay, so that the Python will get downloaded. Simply you can click on, you can double tap on that software, so that it will appear like this. Okay, okay, completed. Okay, okay, yeah, think my system is bit slow, that's why it is getting slow. Okay, it is downloading very slowly. Don't forget to click on that checkbox. Okay, add to path. Satish sir is little busy. Yeah, whatever the version you want, you can download it. Okay, try to download some late past 3 to 4 latest versions from 3.10 like that. Okay, don't go below the 3.7. Okay, it will not support our projects. Okay. In every version you have to click on that checkbox. Okay, add to path, don't forget, it is very important. That's why I'm repeating this many times. Okay, after this session I will also share this recording in our group. Okay, don't worry. If any one of you having any issues while doing these installations, you can come to office or else you can contact me. Okay, I will share my contact details in our group. Yeah, the setup was successful, so that our Python was installed successfully in our system. Okay, uh, let's verify whether it got installed or not. Okay, I will show in our command prompt. Okay, go to command prompt. This terminal, simply type Python hyphen hyphen. Yeah, our this is our Python version. Okay, if you got like this, so that means your Python got successfully installed in your system. Okay, you can also practice your Python by clicking ideally. Okay, we are not going to do it now because we will do all the programs in our PyCharm only. Okay, now have you done this with Python? uh, this class is only for Python development. Okay, there is no mandatory to listen Java people in this class. Okay, it is only for Python. Okay, Java class is tomorrow at the same time. Okay, yeah. Now let's do PyCharm. PyCharm. Here you can find some jetbrains.com PyCharm IDE. Simply click on that website where you can find a download option here. Don't go for it. I'll show you it. If anyone find any trial versions, don't install that version. Okay, this is your PyCharm website. Simply go here and click on download. You can able to find download option here. Okay, you can also do this. Wherever you find a download button, you can click on that. Okay, on clicking on that, you will find 30 days free, 30 days trial. Don't do it. Okay, if you download it, it will get only for 30 days. After that, it will ask some fees. Okay, here you will get an open source of PyCharm. Okay, from here you can download it. You have to select your versions, and there is no need to select. Simply you can click on this download. Okay, don't do this one. Okay, first of all you have to go to your PyCharm and you have to click on this download option, download button. Then you can able to get this window. Don't do this version. Okay, I'm telling again and again, don't do this version. Okay, don't go to this free 30-day trial. Okay, scroll down, you will find an open source here. Simply click on this download. If clicking on download only, you will able to download will get started. Okay, it will take some time. My system is bit slow, that's why it was showing slowly. Yeah, I'm done with this PyCharm community. Now I have to go to downloads and check for this file. Yeah, wait until you will able to find this icon. Okay, PyCharm icon. Then only you can able to understand that it got downloaded 100%. If not, wait for some time and change the location of your software. You can also do it from there itself, but keeping all the softwares in one folder will be easy for you. Okay, yeah. I have replaced my pasted in my folder. Yeah, tomorrow Python students will not have any class. Tomorrow's class is only about Java. Okay, how to install Java softwares and all. Okay, yeah. Now I have downloaded Python and I have installed that Python. Now I am doing installations of PyCharm. Okay, PyCharm community. This is the latest version. Okay, 2024.2.3. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I'll wait for you. Let me know when you finish this downloading. Okay. Yeah. 461 and 467 MB. It is a large file. Okay. Uh, okay. Immediately after downloading, please let me know, okay? Don't start any installations for PyCharm, okay? I will show you how to do it. How many of you done with this downloading PyCharm? Okay. 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 I'll move to the next step. Okay. Just go to that folder wherever you have this PyCharm software. Double tap on this software. Give the required permissions for this software also. Okay. Click on yes. Now you have to set up your PyCharm community like this. Okay. Click on next. Click on next or clicking first next you will get this window, and after that you have to click next again. Okay. Now this is very important uh, tab. Okay. Here you have to check all the four boxes. Okay. Don't forget to check these boxes. Okay. Which these boxes, by checking these box only you will be able to connect it with Python and PyCharm. Okay. uh, by clicking on all these four checkboxes you will be able to handle your PyCharm very efficiently. If not you will get errors. Okay. 1 2 3 4 checkboxes, you have to click all the checkboxes. Okay. By on clicking these four checkboxes you have to go to next. Now don't make any changes here, just click on this install button. The PyCharm is getting is installing. Okay. It will take some time because it's very large software, right? Any one of you have any issues? If you have any issues while doing this installations, please let me know. Okay, we can clarify it now. If it is not resolved, you can come to office. Don't reboot it. Okay, don't reboot it. There is no need to reboot. Okay. Yeah, you can also use VS Code, but we are going to perform all our operations in PyCharm only. Okay, there is no difference between VS Code and PyCharm. It is there is only difference in interface only, but both are same only. But try to do it in PyCharm. Okay. Yeah, there is no need to reboot. Okay, you can there is no need to select any radio button here. Simply it will be on I want to manually reboot later, so let it be like that only. Click on this finish button. Okay. Okay, you have done this. VS Code is already installed, right? Okay. Okay, let's see if any errors occurred. We have to we will have to do some double work. Okay, it will be like a double work again. We have to do some setup for VS Code also. Okay. Let's do some installations. If you have any error, then you can go to this PyCharm again. Okay, Arnath Reddy. Okay. How many of you done with this PyCharm? Just let me know so that we will move forward. Okay. Okay. Now, thanks for your response. Now we are going to do MySQL. If now we are going to do this MySQL now. Just type MySQL. I, I'll go to this MySQL download. Just go to this the website which is on the top. Okay. Yeah. The website will be like this. You will find go back. You will find wait a minute. Let's see. Keep your downloads. I'll show you again. On clicking MySQL, you'll find down this page. Go to downloads. Scroll down. Here you can able to see MySQL community GPL downloads. Click on this link. Okay, MySQL community GPL downloads. Then go to this last link, MySQL installer for Windows. Okay, see carefully. Okay, now if you have MySQL, uh, don't do it. Okay, it will ask for your path. Okay, if you want to do it, you have to remove all the software which is related to MySQL and you have to do it again. Okay, so it is better to don't do it again and again. Okay, if you have any problems issues, contact me, or else you can come to office. Let's see for any errors. Okay, let's sort out the issues. These are all the versions. Okay, if you go to archives, you will have different versions of our MySQL. Okay, uh, some versions will not support to specific systems. Okay, so you have to download versions. Try to do the latest versions only. Just wait a minute. Okay, I'm showing it again. Or else you can also find here MySQL community server or MySQL installer for Windows. Let's see, we will find versions here also. Here, this is the latest version. Okay, again I will show you once again. Whatever the versions you want, you can do it. Okay, Go to MySQL. Here you can find downloads on your header. On clicking downloads, you can find MySQL community downloads, GPL downloads. Here you will have uh, these many links. Here download archives and all. Here also you will find some servers here. Better try to download 8.4 version. This is the latest versions. Okay. You can also find this version. Previously, we have seen this version in in this last link, right? Try to do 8.4 version. Okay, this is the latest version. We don't know if any bugs we have in that. I think it is a trial version. It is a demo version. I think. Do this version. Okay, 8.4.3. Yeah. Don't do this zip archives. Okay. Windows 64-bit MSI installer. Click on download. Yeah. There is no need to log in or sign up. Simply you will have a link below that. No thanks. Just start my download. Click on that link. MySQL software is getting downloaded. If you have any software previously, let it be. If it supports Django and all, don't change any softwares. Okay, if it doesn't support that, that means you have your installations were there is an issue in your installations. Okay, I'll show you them. Okay, yeah, in downloads, this is the version which I have done now. I'll put this. How many of you done with this SQL MySQL software? Okay, if you do that 32-bit only. If you have it was showing 32-bit, then do it only. Okay. If it doesn't support, let's resolve the issue. I think your laptop is of older version, right? If not, it will show 64-bit only. Try to update for 64-bit. Okay. Let's try to do with the 32-bit only. If you have any errors, I'll try to resolve that. Okay. Yeah. Now click on this MySQL 8.4.3 version. Double tap on this software. This is your setup here. Your MySQL server setup will be like this. Click on next. After getting this setup, you have to click on next. Okay. You'll have some user agreements like this. You have to accept. Click on the checkbox for this accept checkbox. After that only you will can able to find this next button. If not, you will not get that next button. Okay, you have to click on this checkbox. Go click on next button. Yeah, now you have to select typical. Okay, you have to click on this typical installation. Okay, click on typical installation. I'm showing again. Click on typical installation. Now simply click on install. I think all of you know about this server. MySQL server is used to store the data. It is a database, and we are going to do SQL yoga also, that is used to interact between. It is only interaction tool between server and person. I think all of you, most of your softwares is getting installing, right? So yeah, you have to give some required permissions for this software also. Click on yes. Now click on finish. Okay, I think all of you have done with this. Click on finish. Immediately after clicking on finish, it will go to another setup, MySQL setup only. Okay, it is not completed while clicking finish. Okay, click on yes here. After that, click on yes. Give the permissions. Okay, if you got any tabs like yes or no, you have to give the permissions for that. Okay, click on yes only. Don't click on no. Yeah. Here you can able to see a new tab, right? Click on that. Okay, have you done up to here? If you done, let me know. Up to this setup, up to here. Yeah, because now we are going to do configuration. Okay, up to now we have done with the installation. Now we are going to do the server configuration. Okay, now this is the first step of our configuration. Click on next here. Again next. If you have MySQL in your system, here you will get some error in the path. Okay, if not, you will not find any error here. Okay, now we are in the second step, data directory. You have to click on next. Now here you can you have to change the configuration type from development computer to server computer. Okay, don't make any changes in port or protocol port. Okay, just you have to change configuration type only. Don't do any other changes. Okay, don't make any other changes. After this you have to click on next. Okay, configuration type, you will find a drop down here. Previously it will be on development computer. You have to select server computer. Okay, server computer, and don't make any other changes, and you have to click on next. Okay, there is no need to select any checkboxes and all. Okay, just you have to change server type, configuration type only. Okay, click on next. Now you have to keep a password here. It is very important. If you forgot this password, you have to uh, do some long process to retrieve your password. Okay, so don't make mistake here. Okay, select a password. Uh, Generally we'll keep our password as root small letters, so that you will there is no chance to forget this password. If all of you have same password also, it will be better, right? If you have some unique password, if you forgot it, you have to do some another process for that. Okay, try to keep your password as root, all small letters only. Okay, don't worry if your password strength is weak also. Don't worry, nobody will hack your system. Okay, okay, keep your password as root only, root. Simply, if you forgot your password, we can also get remind by seeing this root here. Okay, I am keeping small root. Okay, root. Try to keep this root root only. Okay, after that you have to click on next. Don't make any changes in this Windows service. Okay, there is no need to make any changes here. Simply you can click on next. Okay, now server file permissions. Here also there is no need to make any changes here. Simply click on next. Don't check any boxes here. Okay, sample databases. In sample databases there is no need to make any changes. Simply click on next. Okay, here you have to apply the configurations by clicking on execute. Here you can see click execute to apply the changes. Okay, simply you have to, there is no need to check these radio buttons. There is no chance to check these radio buttons. Okay, there is no availability to uh, click on this radio button. Simply click on execute. Okay, execute. Java people can also do this MySQL, uh, or else we will tell in tomorrow's class also. It's the same topic, MySQL. But Python is different. This MySQL is used for both Java people and also Python people. Okay, both the developments. This is a common database for both the developments. Okay, yeah. Our MySQL server configuration was successful here. We got all the tick marks in our configuration steps, so it is successful here. Now you have to click on next for the to continue. There is no need to make any changes here also. If your configurations have applied successfully, then on clicking on next you will go to this page. Simply click on finish. Okay, MySQL is successfully installed in your machines. Okay, now have you done this with MySQL server installation? Let me know whether you have completed this installation. If anyone triggering with any issues, let me know. Okay. Okay. I'm moving forward to the next step. That is SQL Yoga. SQL Yoga is nothing but it is an interface between our project and database. Okay. SQL Yoga download. On clicking on SQL or SQL download, you can able to find some GitHub, right? Okay, you can find the software in GitHub. Go to that downloads, click on that link. Now here you can find SQL Yo Community Edition 13.3.0. Click on that link. Okay, this is the latest version. On clicking immediately on clicking on that link, the software will get downloaded. Go to downloads. Wait until okay, you got this icon, right? Now uh, replace your software, whatever, whichever the folder you have created for your softwares, keep in that folder. You paste it in your software folder. Now how many of you done with this download? Downloading. The installation of this SQL Yoga is very simple. Yeah. Have you selected this server computer? Okay, Shani, we can connect. We can connect after this session. Okay, I'll share my contact details in our group so that you can contact me. Click on double tap on this SQL Yoga. Give the required permission for this SQL Yoga. There is no need to select any language. Keep it in English only. Click on OK. Here you will find some setup here. SQL Yoga community setup. Click on next. Okay. First of all, you will have your radio button at I do not accept the terms. You have to change the radio button to accept the terms. Click on this accept the terms radio button, then it will show the next button here. Just uh, keep on clicking on next only. Okay, next. You will find here, don't make any changes here. Okay, Click on next. Here also there is no need to change any destination folder here. Simply click on install. Okay, if you are able to if it is showing only 12th version, do the 12th version only. Okay, no problem in that. Okay, immediately after installation you have to click on next. After completing this setup, click on finish. Okay, now by this we have completed the required softwares for our project. Okay, now we have to connect SQL yoke with our MySQL server. How to do that? I'll show you. Okay, I think all of you have done this with this four softwares, right? Let me know whether you have completed these installations or not. Okay, okay. Now minimize all the tabs. You will find your PyCharm and SQL in your desktop now, because we have checked some boxes, that all the boxes now. That's why we are getting PyCharm and SQL here. Now let's try to connect SQL yoke and MySQL server now. Double tap on SQL yoke. Here you will find a new connection icon here. Click on that icon in the left upper corner below this file. Okay, below this file you can able to see the connector symbol here. Click on that symbol. We have our password as root, right? You have to click your password here, ROOT. Save that password there. I think all of you can show the password will come automatically. If not, you type manually your password over there in the box. If you click on test connection, if your password is right, then you will get this. Yeah,
It once.
I'll show it once again.
Yes.
Okay, click on SQLio community icon. Double tap on that icon. This window will get open. Now click on this connector symbol. Okay, this is to establish a new connection. Okay, below this file you can find this connection connector button, connector icon. I think all of you can see this. Click on this icon. On clicking on this icon, you will find this tab here. Don't make any changes. There is no need to change any username and password and all. Simply if you don't get any password here, you have to put the password which we have set up in your MySQL server. I have set up as root, right? Whatever the password you have set up in your MySQL server, you have to take the same password here. Okay, I have given my password as ROOT. That's why I have kept the same password here, ROOT. If your password is right, if you click on test, it will test whether your password is correct or not. If your password is correct, you will get this connection successful message, but it will not get connected. Okay, if you want to get connected, you have to click this connect. Okay, simply you have to keep your password here and you have to click on connect. Test connection is only to know whether your password is right or wrong. On clicking this connect, you will get this pop up here. Just click on yes. You have to save these changes now. That's why click on yes. Yeah, here your setup is successful. Okay, the same class for MySQL will be repeated tomorrow also. Okay, the same class, only from MySQL, not about that PyCharm and Python. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can also you can also attend tomorrow's class for only MySQL. Now I think we have done with this MySQL setup. Have you done with this MySQL setup? Okay. Now we are going to do now PyCharm community setup now. Click double tap on this PyCharm. It will take some time. Okay. This is the latest version of PyCharm. Yeah. Okay. Now you have to click on new project. Okay. This plus symbol. Now you have to change your interpreter type to custom environment. Observe clearly. First of
Sir,
all,
once you repeat, sir.
yeah, wait a minute. Double tap on your PyCharm. Yeah. Immediately when PyCharm is open, you will find a new project icon here, plus symbol here. Okay. Click on that plus symbol. Okay. It will go to the next window like this. Okay. Have you done with this? After that, observe carefully. You have to change your interpreter type. Okay. Here you can keep your required location here, and also you can give the project name here, but it is not much important. Now you have to select your interpreter type now. Okay. Interpreter type to custom environment. You have to change your interpreter type from project v virtual environment to venv, means virtual environment. Okay, you have to change it to custom environment. Okay, now you have to, if previously it will be on generate new, but there is no need to uh, generate the new one. Keep your environment to select existing. Okay, select existing, and the type is Python only. Okay, Okay, you have to change your interpreter type from project VENV to custom environment, and you have to change your environment from generate new to select existing. You have to select existing. There is no need to change any type because our type is Python only. Okay, again I am repeating, interpreter type is custom environment is select existing. Okay, click on create, which is on right corner, bottom right corner. There is no need to select any Python path here. We can do that, but it is some long process, so I'll show it afterwards. Okay, how to do it. Okay, it is very important. Selecting Python path is very important. In older versions it is very simple to set up a Python path, but it is the latest version, right? That's why we have to do some different process here. Okay, custom environment, select existing Python, and you have to click on create here. Okay, this is your PyCharm. Okay, now you have to set up an interpreter here. Your interpreter is Python. Okay, now click on this no interpreter, which is in the right corner, bottom right corner. All of you have should follow this step. Okay, it is very important. Now you will find this no interpreter in the bottom right corner. Click on that. You will have add new interpreter option here. Click on that. After clicking on add new interpreter, you will able to find this add local interpreter. Click on that one. Okay, immediately after clicking that, you have to select system interpreter here. Okay, system interpreter, it will be on virtual environment. Don't do this. Click on system interpreter. Okay, click on system interpreter, the third option. Okay, add Python interpreter, system interpreter. Okay, system interpreter. Immediately you will get a path here. Don't There is no need to select any specific path here. If you have a single Python, and if you click on add to path while you doing that installation, then only you will able to find the path here. If not, you will not get any path. That's why I've said that it's very important to click on add to path checkbox. Okay, after you have to select no interpreter, and I'll show it again. You have to select on no interpreter, add new interpreter, add local interpreter. Here you have to go to system interpreter and click on OK. Immediately after clicking on OK, you will find your Python version here, Python and its version here, Python 3.13 here. Okay, wait for some time until this downloads get completed. Okay, I think all of you are clear up to now. The skeletons and interpreter is getting updated here. This is your PyCharm project 6, which way which you can change the name while you are creating any new file. Okay, I'll show you how to create new file also. I'll show it in the next class, okay? But tomorrow you will not have any Python class. You will have a Java installations class, okay? If anyone stuck at MySQL softwares, you can listen in tomorrow's class. You can able to see in tomorrow's class. In PyCharm, this is called terminal. This is Python package. We will work with this terminal only. On clicking on this terminal, you will get this set. You will able to see like this. Okay. Some will get only four icons. Some will get only three icons. Okay. Don't worry about that. Okay. This is very important. Terminal is very important. Okay. Wait until the skeletons get updated. Okay. If you have softwares in your machines, let it be. If you are able to uninstall them successfully, you can do it. You can also remove the paths which are related to your softwares. If you are able to do that, if you are able to do that, you can do that. You can do it on your own. If not, you can come to office. Okay, you can remove all the softwares and you can install them perfectly. I will share this video screen record in our group. Okay. After interpreter, after this, click on this terminal. You will get a path here. Don't worry, you will get a path. If you get it, it will take some time to get this path. Okay. For some systems will be slow, right? Or some older version laptops will get some slowly. Don't worry. Now you have to install Django in this. Okay. Okay. I will take this Django installation in another class. Okay. Up to here, our Python installations is successfully completed. Okay. Okay, it is very simple only. I will explain in this. I will tell you in this class only about Django. Simply click type pip install Django Django. Okay, pip install Django. Django is a framework which is used to build beautiful websites. Okay, click on enter. Pip install Django. Okay. Think I think there is an existing software in my machine. That's why I was not able to install this Django. Python 3. Okay, you have Python 3. Okay, if you have 2 3 versions of Python, you will find this type of errors in your system. Okay. Okay, how many of you completed with these installations? Okay, how many of you if done with these installations? Okay, if you're done with the installations, it is okay. If you have any problem, you can message me. I'll share my contact in our group. Okay. Do you have any other questions? Okay. I'll stop my screen sharing. Okay. If you have any doubts, you can ask me now. This is all about today's class. Is only about installations. Tomorrow is about Java installations. Okay. Okay. Have a nice day. Bye. I think all of you have done with the installations. We'll meet in the next class. Okay. You can leave the class now. Okay.